Okay, let's make some kimchi together. This is a very delicious Korean dish. So let's get some napa cabbage ready. You want to wash it thoroughly and really dry out the leaves completely. And you can set it on the counter overnight, then quarter it. This will be easier for you to put the salt in there. You want to use salt without iodine so the leaves won't turn black. Now put the salt in between all the leaves very thoroughly. This way the salt can help to reduce a lot of the moisture and the water will come out and the cabbage will turn a little bit soft. So now let's get some pear ready. I prefer to use Asian pears because it has a very unique texture and flavor and very sweet. For apple, I prefer to use Honey Crisp. It's very nice and sweet and has just enough acidity in there. Peel it and then cut it to half and then core this. Just be careful here. Then you grate it. Grate the apple and the pear. This will add so much flavor to this kimchi. Now let's weigh some glutinous rice flour. This one, when you mix it with a little bit of water and boil it together, it will turn to a paste. And this can help to speed up the fermentation. Stir it very carefully. Once it turns translucent, turn it away from the heat. Let's weigh some salt and some pepper. Depends on how spicy you like your food. You can add some more pepper or less. Now fish sauce is very important for this kimchi. Also add some shrimp sauce. All the ingredients you can pretty much find in Asian grocery stores. Mix this paste really nicely, thoroughly together and put that with the pear and apple. So now I would suggest not to use too much garlic because you don't want to overpower the fruity taste. So I just use 6 cloves for these 2 big cabbage. Cut those to smaller pieces and then use a food processor and chop it. Same thing with ginger. Peel it and dice it to smaller pieces for easy chopping. Put it in a little food processor and chop it. As long as the big chunks are gone, you should be fine. Go ahead and then chop it. And then mix this together with the paste. Add some MSG. This is optional, or if you don't like that, and you can also add some chicken or beef bouillon. Mix this together. Squeeze the water first, and you can see the cabbage is a little bit softened now. Put these paste between all the leaves. This way they can absorb all the flavor. Imagine the salt, the fish sauce and shrimp sauce in there, absorbed by this cabbage, and with the fruity taste, imagine how delicious this is. Squeeze out the water is very, very important. This way it's not too salty, and also the fruity flavor won't be diluted. Put that in the container. Set it in room temperature, let it ferment for a couple days, and then put it in the fridge. Then you can cut that. Actually, you can start to eat that on the 3rd day. Then you can jar this, and you can serve this with noodle or just eat it as a dish. Now enjoy this kimchi.